am going to demonstrate and explain the double displacement reaction. First, I'll demonstrate it and explain it further. Now let's see the materials required for this experiment. First, we need two test tubes. Then a calcium chloride. Then sodium carbonate. A spatula. A Pasteur pipette. A test tube holder if needed. And a beaker with some water. Now, let's see the procedure for this activity. First, take one test tube with calcium chloride and take another test tube with sodium carbonate, like this. Now, take some water in a Pasteur pipette and make a solution of calcium chloride by adding few drops of water to it. Shake it well so that it mixes well. Now, prepare a solution of sodium carbonate by adding 15 drops of water to it. Shake it well. Now friends, our solutions are perfectly ready. Now we can observe that the two solutions are pretty colorless. Okay, fine. Now take some sodium carbonate in this Pasteur pipette and dispense 3 solutions of it into the test tube containing calcium chloride. Now shake the test tube well. Now we can observe that a white precipitate is formed here after adding sodium carbonate to calcium chloride. First, after adding sodium carbonate to calcium chloride, we observe that a white precipitate was formed. This white precipitate is actually calcium carbonate. Fine. Let's move on to the second part of the experiment. After 10 minutes, we can observe that the white precipitate settles at the bottom of the test tube, like this. Fine. Now, try to decant this water into a beaker. Now, take a solution of hydrochloric acid and add it to the test tube containing the white precipitate. Now shake it gently. Now you can see that the white precipitate still remains undissolved. It does not dissolve in the HCl solution. So from this we can understand that the product of this double displacement reaction is an insoluble compound in aqueous medium. So now I'll try to explain this double displacement reaction using a whiteboard. So friends, I'll start explaining this double displacement reaction first using alphabets and then using a chemical equation. So first I'll write it as AB plus CD. Then the products formed in double displacement reaction will be like AD plus CV. So I'll write it as AD plus CV. Fine. Now I'll write the equation for the activity which we performed. Calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate Here, if you imagine calcium as A, chloride as B, sodium as C and carbonate as D, the products formed will be like calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. So I write it as calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. Fine. Now we can observe that there is an exchange of ions here. Actually, chloride ions are displaced by carbonate ions and carbonate ions are displaced by chloride ions. So since there is a two displacements, it is a double displacement reaction. Also, the calcium carbonate which is formed here is actually the white precipitate, and this white precipitate is an insoluble compound in aqueous medium. So the proper definition for double displacement reaction is that the reactions in which there is an exchange of ions between two compounds of the reactants to form two new compounds is called double displacement reaction. That's all is double displacement reaction. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, share and subscribe it.